7 Tech Trends in Smart Manufacturing and Digital Transformation for 2021. Strategic innovations, consolidation of manufacturing processes, and adaptation of operating models and processes due to the new post-COVID-19 standard are the key priorities for 2021. Number 1. Post-pandemic adaptation. The goal of the upcoming period of restoration will be the transition to a new normal, to new standards for operating models and manufacturing strategies that will lead through numerous in-house digital transformation projects, including formalization of remote collaboration. Number 3. Migration to cloud IT infrastructure. Businesses will gradually transform their IT networks and transition to a cloud-centric infrastructure, which will be accelerated with the launch of 5G networks. This shift will help expand the adaptability and improve the flexibility of the enterprise's digital infrastructure. Number 2. Scaling enterprise IoT. Data availability, migration to cloud applications, and a complex IT infrastructure will facilitate the scaling up of smart manufacturing projects from shop floor to top floor across the value chain. The growing number of available data and the scaling up of the industrial IoT pave the way for further improvement in manufacturing potential and supply process optimization. Number 4. Hybrid workplaces and intelligent technologies. Manufacturing companies and shop floors will become a place of technological transformation, which will drive a socio-cultural shift. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will lead to the emergence of hybrid workplaces that utilize the tools of augmented intelligence, a combination of human and machine cognitive abilities. Number 5. Transition to flexible and resilient operating models. Manufacturing companies and factories have already begun turning towards more flexible operating strategies following the pandemic. In addition to lean manufacturing principles, businesses will move to embrace a holistic approach towards digital transformation and process automation. Number 6. Predictive maintenance. The growing availability of data and their analysis will accelerate the generational shift in maintenance management. Manufacturing enterprises will start to move from a preventive maintenance system to a predictive maintenance strategy. Number 7. Expansion of distributed manufacturing. Distributed manufacturing will be becoming more prevalent in the wake of decelerating globalization and regionalization of supply chains and manufacturing.